What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to stream on multiple platforms with one simple tool. You don't need multiple stream keys or anything. This one tool plugin is going to have a chat. It's going to give you analytics so you guys can know your bit rate if you guys are confused on that. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here, and it's actually right here, restream.io. You guys can see. Restream.io is what you guys are going to go for. Restream.io. Okay, there'll be a link down in the description below. And now when you guys first go into Restream, it's going to ask you guys to create an account and log in. Once you guys create an account and log in, it's going to bring you to a screen that looks similar to something like this. Of course, it isn't going to have Mixer, YouTube, or Twitch. I'm going to show you guys on how to get to this part, all right, as such. So I'm going to delete Twitch, and I'm basically going to show you how to add a channel and how to do it effectively. And once you do it quick and effectively, you're going to do the same for whatever platforms you're going to want to stream on as well, and showing you how to stream on certain ones if you want to do that, doing your titles, looking at your analytics, and how to do the chat and how to get chat up on OBS as well so everybody can see it. This is important too. We're needed to that in 1 second, but going to the channel. So here's all your channels that you guys can stream on, right? All of these right here. We took off the Twitch, so we're going to go ahead and click Twitch. Now you can set it up manually, or you can just connect Twitch automatically. Once you do that, it's going to say connect Twitch. You would have to go ahead and, if you're automatically, I'm just going to click authorized. Now once you're automatically in that, it's going to ask you guys to put in your guys' Twitch username and password if you guys haven't done so already. Or it may not ask you if you guys already have it saved on your computer. It's just going to say that. So now as you can tell, everything, first of all, I'm going to teach you how to read this. First of all, everything here is offline. So it's showing you that you're not streaming, but it says on. So what this means is if I go into OBS and I click start streaming, it's going to stream on all of these because they're all on. Now if I click Twitch off and YouTube off, now it says please restart before these changes go. Now if I click stream, it's only going to stream on Mixer. Now if I click YouTube on and Mixer off, now I'm going to be streaming just on YouTube. You can tell that these ones are a little bit more grayed out, and this one's still all ready to go. So if I click all three on, which is what I want to do because I want to stream on all three of these platforms at the same time, that's what we're going to do. Up here, this basically just tells you where you want to connect your guys' internet to with this, I guess you'd say. I'm not really sure on the technical terms of it. So they have a whole bunch of spots here. It could just auto-detect, but it says a beta. So if you know where you are, US East, West, I mean anything. I know I'm US West and I'm closer to California. So hence that. This is my stream key. This stream key right here is going to be the stream key that you put into OBS. You're not going to need to put Mixer, YouTube, or Twitch stream keys into anything. Notice I didn't do any of that. None of that. That's why Restream.io gets their stream keys all together. And this is basically your stream key that you're going to want to put into OBS. If you guys don't know how to do any of that, I'm actually going to have an OBS video tutorial up here in the top card, or you can check the description down below. And this whole entire playlist series on how to stream and get set up for beginners and how to just advance it in general. So again, you guys now know how to do the channels. Set up your guys' best connection right here. This is your stream key you're going to want to put into OBS. Next, pretty cool feature is your titles. Your titles here, I was streaming Rocket League and doing a giveaway as well. So here's how we have it. If you guys want to do a title, check this out. Check this out, right? So instead of going to every single one, we do update all. Boom, updated. Boom, boom, updated, updated. Now you guys can go even further. You guys know how on Twitch you guys have to add the game where you guys are playing? Look, here's how you do it. Just like that. You click update. Boom. Obviously that's not a game, but we're going to keep it on Rocket League because that's what I'm going to be playing tomorrow. You can't do it for YouTube, so you guys are going to have to manually go into YouTube, put in a thumbnail, put in your tags, and then everything. This only does the game that you're playing and the title. Okay, the title and the game. So we're going to skip over social alerts, and now we're going to go to monitor. Now here's 2 streams that I did today. I just was not feeling it, so I was like, you know, I'm just going to end the stream and just come over here. But we're going to take a day. Let's just go here to this one right here. Random day that I was streaming, hour 37 minutes. I streamed twice this day, and it could actually tell you some pretty good stuff. It actually tells you your bit rate on what you're at, and you guys can actually plug this into OBS. So if you guys are having some choppy streams and you guys think it's your bit rate, use Restream for a couple days and see if you guys get around the same bit rate. I'm at about 5,000 bit rate, so I put that into OBS and I'm good. 30 frames a second. I'm at 30 frames a second at 1080p, and there's everything. So here's all that I use. This stuff right here, you guys can just get from OBS. This is what it gets from OBS. This is what you put into the dashboard section, remember? And then this right here, we had 0 frame drops, solid 30 frames. Solid 30 frames. Bit rate, averaging about 5,000. So there's that. Next thing we're going to move on to is the chat. Now here's how you guys can see all 3 of those. Because if you guys are streaming on Mixer, Twitch, and YouTube all at the same time, you guys are going to need to see your guys' chat for all of those. You guys don't want to go back and forth. This is where you guys put it all together, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. This is for Windows only. You guys can have some other web chats here. I have Windows, so I do Windows. I download Windows. I then sign in with my account that I created when I first logged in. So you guys are going to need to put that in for your chat. And it's going to download it, and we're going to move on for it. So once you guys have that downloaded, right down here, I have it. Right where my cursor is at, there's that little R. It's the same R for Restream, okay? So I'm going to click that, restream.io, and I'm actually going to lower this down real quick while that loads up. It's going to load up, do that quick screen. You guys are going to log in. Once you guys log in, here's your guys' chat. I just started streaming. I stopped streaming not too long ago, so it's loading up some of the chat that I did. Notice it tells you right here that YouTube. So here's where it says what channel they're on. YouTube, Twitch, or Mixer. Puts the icon there. Most of my viewers are from YouTube, so that's where all of these guys are at. Now up here, if you guys look, it says 3 out of 3. That means we're going to be streaming. We have a pure connection to Mixer, Twitch, and YouTube. Now if it said 2 out of 3, that means there's probably something wrong. Okay, that means you guys are going to have to click on this and see what has happened. Maybe if you guys change your password on Twitch, you guys may need to update it on like refresh restream, for an example. It actually tells you your viewers too. I noticed that the viewers are actually just kind of like a guesstimate. I've had 11 viewers on YouTube, 7 on Twitch. That's 18. It says I have 15 people watching. So it gives you an average, not an average per se, but just an estimate of how many people are actually watching. So there's that. This one right here kind of shows you, if we go back to it, right? So we have my chat. If you guys click this, it kind of gives you a different way of the chat. I don't like this chat. I like it boxed in so I can actually see who's typing what. Makes it a little more clear for me, especially when I'm streaming. That may be a cool tool for you. I'm blanking on my stream key for obvious reasons. This is going to be where you guys get your URL browser plugin. This is where you put this into the OBS as a chat window. Again, if you guys don't know how to do that, go ahead and watch or click the card up above and show you guys how you guys can do that and set up OBS that way. You guys can put in bots and everything, but I mean, that's pretty much it for that. Pretty simple stuff. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you want to type in all 3 chats, you guys can just type it in here. It's going to say broadcaster, that's you. You actually may see your name pop up underneath there as well. So that's how you guys chat with all of that. And then from there, it's pretty self-explanatory on how you guys use it. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to help you guys out as soon as possible. Check out the other videos in the series, basically on Mixer, Twitch, and a couple other stuff as well. Hope you guys find it enjoyable and reliable as well, and hopefully you guys learned something. If you guys need anything else, comments down below. Subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. X out.
Ooh.